Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Monday morning, good morning. Hopefully you have your coffee. We are going to do my weekly update. What am I going to be working on? What are you going to be getting this week from the Robe Zoe channel? Mostly niche. You're not going to get like a regular designer fragrance here this week. It is mostly niche fragrances. Comme des Garçons, of course, is a designer brand. A lot harder to find than like a Sauvage or a Jean Paul Gaultier release. So I don't really count them as a, let's say, a designer-ish fragrance brand that is really available everywhere. They are a little harder to find designer brand. But either way, I think I have a really solid week coming up. And let's get into it. So today, of course, Monday, you're going to be getting this video. That's it. That's the end of the road for today. Tomorrow, you're going to get a subscriber's choice video where you get to choose what I'm going to be sampling. So in a couple weeks, of course, so stay tuned for that one. Tomorrow, you'll get to choose what I review. Then Wednesday is usually when the Robe Zoe channel starts amping up as far as videos go. Wednesday, you get an unboxing, as you can see here, from the brand of Comme des Garçons. This one called Floriento. I purchased, 3 Comme des Garçons fragrances. I've only unboxed one way back when, I think like a year and a half ago. So it's about time that I get to this one. This was a blind buy. A lot of noses that I trust within the community tell me that I have to smell this. It is up my alley. I can't wait to smell it, actually. And I still have another Comme des Garçons to unbox. So finally getting to this one, Floriento. I'm looking forward to that one. Next on Thursday is going to be your test drive, which is from Frédéric Malle. And this one is Monsieur. Patchouli-based fragrance, so can't wait to delve into that one. It's been a bit since I've spoken about Frédéric Malle, so it's nice to add that to the roll for this week. And then our last Xerjoff to unbox. I don't know what I'm going to do without any Xerjoffs to unbox, but this one, of course, Naxos blind buy. Believe it or not, I have never smelt Naxos, so it's nice to add that to my collection, sniff it out, see what I think about it. And then go from there. And then on the weekend, we have our sampling spree here. We have your subscriber's choice, the one that won, which is Roja Dove's Oceana, which just squeaked by, I think, Baby Cat and the Nasamato were right behind this one. It was a very close race for that one. So it's the high-end niche race. So Oceana won. So I'm looking forward to, actually, I haven't spoken or smelled a Roja Dove fragrance in years, so it's gonna be a little treat. We'll see how good this thing is. We'll see. A lot of people love that one. I don't know. I have my doubts. And then sampling Sunday is just a straightforward Sunday. We are going to be smelling from the brand of Carolina Herrera, and this is from their higher end line. This one called Platinum Leather. So I'm looking forward to that one because I do own quite a bit of the Herrera Confidential line. That's what it's called. And that one is one that I don't own, and I just have a little bit left in my sample, but we're going to get to it and give my thoughts on video on that one. So actually a pretty solid week. What I think is, a lot of different fragrances. We got, a patchouli one. This one, I don't know what it is. That one, obviously gourmandish, I think. Oceana is going to be a freshie, I'm assuming, and this is going to be a leather-based fragrance. So a little bit of something for everyone out there. And as always, I'm always looking forward to the comments below on these particular videos to see if you're going to be tuning in, what you're going to be tuning in for. I love to see specifics and just say, hey, tune in for this or that. Even let me know what you think of these fragrances before I hit them up. That's interesting. And I want to see some comments of passing. If you're going to pass, let me know. Comment. Say you're going to pass. Shit week. But anyway, that's the week for this week. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the content. I got a lot of work ahead of myself. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you on Tuesday.